Welcome back. This is another one of the important video in which we are going to solve the HackerRank programming challenges. And in this programming challenge, we will have a two integer x and y, and through that integer x and y, we will know that x is greater than y, or x is less than y, or x equal to y. According to that, we will display our output in unix command. Okay, so let's start. And the name, I will give the same name what HackerRank has given in this programming challenge, and the name will be comparing numbers. So this is our problem. Now let's start solving the problem. First of all, what I will do, I will accept x and y. For that, we will do that with the help of a read command, read x and read y. And after that, we will use for loop. After that we will use if loop. If greater than $y, then if condition is true, then x is equal to y, else if ELI my mistake, it's here, it should be x is greater than y, and else if and here it should be x is equal to y, else x is less than y. So this is our logic that I have written. If x is greater than y, it should print x is greater than y, else if x is equal to y, then x is equal to y, otherwise x is less than y. Now let's save it. Let's give the executable permission. First I will give 10, and the one is give 20. Unexpected token else. Okay, line number 17. Let's see what is the error in line number 17. Okay, I forgot one thing here. Actually, after it should be something like that. I think after here ELIF it should be, then should be, and again else, then it should be like that. I think so. Let's execute now. I think it should work. 10, 20, line number 19. Okay, line number 19. Okay, so when I'm using if then condition is there, ELIF then condition is there, line number 19. Here it should not be like that. Okay, Let's try one more time. 10, 20, x is greater than y. Now 10, x is still x is greater than y. 30, 30, so if x is greater than y, yeah, command is wrong. It should not be like that. Okay, let's try one more time. First of all, I will clear the screen. Okay, shift 10, x is less than y. 10 is x, 20 is y, x is less than y. Instead of that, what I will do, it's better if I will print it here like that. It's easy for me to understand actually. 10 is less than 20. Now what if I will give 20 and after that 10? 20 is greater than 10. Okay, now let's say one I will give 30 and another one also I give 30. 30 is equal to 30. So this command x is greater than y is working perfectly fine, right? $100, 450. X is less than y. So 100 is x, 450 is y, so x is less than y. So this is the end of the video and all the practice code I will provide in the GitHub, and GitHub link I will give in the description section. In the next video, again we will see another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank. So if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the regularly updates. And stay tuned to see another important challenges of HackerRank. Thank you.